In this module, we will be working with the Slide Master and creating our custom template. I've broken it into 5 parts. In the first part, you'll learn about the Slide Master tab. In the second part, we'll go over themes, backgrounds, fonts, and placeholders. Part 3 will cover page numbers, changing page number locations, and adding footers. In the fourth part, you'll learn to save and load your new personal template. And finally, in the fifth part, I'll show you how to save your personal template as your default template. So let's start by discussing what the Slide Master is. The Slide Master is the top slide in the hierarchy of slides that stores the information about the theme, the slide layouts of your presentation, including your background, your color, your fonts, effects, and so forth. Every presentation contains at least one Slide Master. The key benefit to modifying and using the Slide Master is that you can make universal changes to every slide in your presentation, including slides that you add later on to your presentation. When you use a Slide Master, you save time because you don't have to continually type the same information or the same formatting on each of your slides. It also ensures the design of your presentation remains consistent throughout. Now, it's a good idea to create your Slide Master before you start building your individual slides rather than after. When you create the Slide Master first, all of the slides you add to your presentation will be based upon the Slide Master and the associated layouts. When you begin making changes to your slides, such as the formatting or the styles, make sure you make them on the Slide Master. Because the Slide Masters affect the look of your entire presentation, when you create and edit a Slide Master or corresponding layouts, you're going to be working within the Slide Master view. So let's go ahead and switch over to the Slide Master view so we can discuss it in further detail. So first, let's go to a blank presentation, and now let's click on the View tab and come over to the Masters group and click Slide Master. Once we click Slide Master, you'll notice the Slide Master tab became available. And if we look at our thumbnails, the first slide listed is our Slide Master. The layout slides associated with that Slide Master are listed below. The slide layouts contain the formatting, positioning, and placeholders for all the content that appears on a slide. Now remember, placeholders are the containers and layouts that hold such content as our text, our tables, our smart art, our images, our videos, and so forth. PowerPoint includes 9 built-in slide layouts, but you can also create your own custom layouts. So let's take a look at the 9 layouts that they come with. We've got our title slide, our title and content, a section header, a to content, our comparison, a title only, a blank slide, our content with caption, picture with caption, and then we've got a couple vertical ones listed. Now when we're in the Slide Master tab, we've got various groups available to us. The first one is the Edit Master. This group will allow you to insert a new Slide Master or Layout Master, and you can also delete or rename your masters from here. If we go to the right one, we've got our Master Layout. This group allows us to choose the Master Slide Layout's default placeholder, and we can also check a couple options to include title and footers. We come over one more group, we've got the Edit Theme, and this is where we can choose our theme. We've got our Background group. This is where we can choose our colors, our fonts, and our effects for the background. Our last group is Size, and this is where we can change the default size of our slides. Let's go back up to the top to our Slide Master. Now remember, any changes we make to our Slide Master or our master layouts, it's going to affect our entire presentation. And you'll also want to remember, as you're going in and adding your slides, if you make style changes within an individual slide, it's not going to come back and affect your entire presentation. So any style changes you make, you're going to want to make them into the master slides instead. Now that I've given you a general overview of the Slide Master and its layouts, and the groups within its tabs, in the next section we'll go over setting up themes, backgrounds, fonts, and placeholders within those masters.